Okay, you are welcome back. So, the last part of algebraic expression, so we have algebraic equations. Under this topic, we are going to look at this example. And the example is, okay, from the topic is algebraic equations. So, for us to have algebraic equation, it means there must be equality sign. So, there must be an equality sign. Then, to solve this algebraic equation, which means we are going to look for the value of unknown. We look for the value or values of the unknown. It depends. So we have, assuming this fraction leads to quadratic equation, we are going to have two values of x. But if the equation leads to only linear equation, we are going to have only one value of x. And to solve this type of question, so the first thing to do, so to solve is to look for the value of unknown. Now to get the value of unknown, bring down the equation. So we have s minus 5 all over s minus 2 equals to x minus 6 all over x minus 4. So the first thing to do is to cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, we are going to multiply the numerator of the first, of the left hand side by the denominator of the right hand side. So we now have x by cross multiply. So we cross multiply. So we now have x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 4. So equals to x minus 6 multiplied by x minus 2. So the next thing to do is to open the bracket, that is to expand the bracket. So to expand the bracket, use each of the terms from the first bracket to multiply the second bracket. So we have x multiplied by x, so which is x squared, then x multiplied by minus 4x, then minus 5 multiplied by x, minus 5x, then minus 5 multiplied by minus 4, that's plus 20, equals to, so no more bracket. Then the second one, x multiplied by x squared, x multiplied by minus 2x, and then minus 2, that's minus 2x, x minus 6 multiplied by x, minus 6x, then minus 6 multiplied by minus 2 give us plus 4. So the next thing to do is to collect the like or simplify and collect the like term. So we have x squared minus 9x, that's minus 4 minus 5, minus 9x plus 20 equals to x squared minus 8x plus 12. So we now collect the like terms. So to collect the like terms, we have x squared, bring x squared here to be minus x squared, then minus 9x plus 8x equals 12 minus 20. So x squared minus x squared is 0. Then we are left with minus 9x plus 8x. Minus 9x plus 8x gives us minus 1x. And minus 1x is also minus x. So which is equals to 12 minus 20, that's minus 80. Then the variable side by minus 1. So here 1. So we are left with x equals minus 1 minus, so we are left with 8 over 1, which is 8. So it means the value of x is 8. So that is that on example 1. Then on question 2. So question number 2. Solve the equation 3x minus 2 all over 2 equals to 4x minus 5 all over 2x minus 1 plus 4 whole number 5 over 6. So to solve this, the first thing to do is to change the mixed number to improper fraction. So we have 3x minus 2 all over 2 equals to 4x minus 5 all over 2x minus 1, then plus 6 multiplied by 4 is 24, 24 plus 5, that's 29 all over 6. So here you can just collect the like term, let all the terms, all the fraction with s to be on one side, then the one without s to be on the other side. So we have 3x minus 2 all over 2 minus 4x minus 5 all over 2x minus 1 equals 29 all over 6. So you now look for the SCM of 2 and 2s minus 1. So the SCM will be the product of the two denominators, so which is 2 into 2x minus 1. So 2 into 2 open bracket 2s minus 1, so you'll be left with 2s minus 1. Then 2s minus 1 multiplied by the numerator, that is 3s minus 2 multiplied by 2s minus 1. Then minus 2s minus 1 and 2 open bracket 2s minus 1, so you'll be left with 2. Then 2 multiplied by 4x minus 5, which is equal to 29 all over 6. So the next thing to do is to open the bracket. So we have 3s multiplied by 2s, that is 6s squared. Then 3s multiplied by minus 1, that's minus 3s. Then minus 2 multiplied by 2s, that's minus 4s. Then minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, that is plus 2. All over 2 multiplied by 2s, that is 4s, minus 2 multiplied by 1, that's 2, equals, we still have this side, then minus 2 multiplied by 4x, that is 8x, then minus 2 multiplied by minus 5, that is plus 10. So the numerator is this, so which is equals to 29 all over 6. So let's collect the like term of the numerator. So we have 6s squared minus 3s minus 4s, that's minus 7s, minus 7s minus 8s, that is minus 15x. Then we have 2 plus 10, that is 12. Then all over 4x minus 2 equals 29 all over 6. So the next thing to do is to collect the like terms. So to collect the like terms, we are going to have 6 into 6s squared minus 15x plus 12 equals 29 into 4x minus 2. So we now have 6 times 6s squared, that's 36s squared, minus 6 multiplied by 15, that is 6 times 5 is 0 carry 3. 6 multiplied by 1, that's 90. Then we have minus 90x. Then plus 6 multiplied by 12, that is 12 to carry 1, 6, 7, that's 72, equals to 29 times 4. 29 times 4, that's 6 carry 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. That is 116 x minus 29 times 2. That is 58. 58. So you now collect the like terms. So we have 36 x squared minus 90x minus 116x plus 72 plus 58 equals 0. So we have 36s squared minus, so 116 plus 90, that is 206. 206s, then plus 0 carry 1, 12, 13, that's 130 equal to 0. So I think we have a number that can go here. So if we use 2 to divide, we have 18s squared minus 103x, then plus in 7 and 13, that is 6, 5 equals to 0. So we have, I think 3 can still go. 3 can still go. No, 3 cannot go in 1 more 3. That's 3 in 10. 3 in the 1, 2, 3 cannot go. So let's have it as 18x squared minus 103x plus 65 equals to 0. So So let's try formula method for this. So let's try formula method to solve the quadratic equation. So you can see the problem here needs to work. Quadratic. So if you compare this equation with the general form of quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So it means our A is 18, B is minus 103, and C is 65. So the variable from the quadratic equation is x, so we are going to have x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we have x to be minus b, that is minus 103 plus or minus square root of b squared, that is minus 103 squared, then minus 4 into a, 18 into 65 all over 2 multiplied by 18. So x equals 103 plus or minus square root of 103 squared. So 103 squared is 10609. 10609. Because square of minus is plus, so just have square of 103 squared to give us 10609. Then minus 4 times 18 times 65 equals 4,680. Then all over 36. Then we now have x to be equal to 103 plus or minus square root of 10,609 minus 4,680 equals to 5,929 all over 36. Then we have x to be 103 plus or minus square root of answer equals 77 all over 36. So we have s to be equal to 103 plus 77 all over 36, or 103 minus 77 all over 36. Then we now have s. We have s to be equal to 103 plus 77, 103 plus 77, that is 180 all over 36, or 103 minus 77, we have 26 all over 36. So we now have x to be equal to, so 180 divided by 36, so we have 5. So the value of x is 5, or 26 over 36. The answer is 13. That is x equals to 13 over 18. So this is the final answer to the second question. So we have two answers there because our algebraic equation leads to what? Quadratic equation. Then from quadratic equation we are going to have two values of x. So thank you.